The wait is over. OnePlus has unveiled its latest flagship, the OnePlus 13. Let's dive into what this powerhouse has to offer. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button. 90% of our viewers haven't subscribed yet. Weighing in at a mere 213 grams, the OnePlus 13 is remarkably lightweight for a device packed with such powerful features. Its IP69 rating ensures durability and water resistance, making it a reliable companion for any adventure. The OnePlus 13 boasts a breathtaking 6.82-inch 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with a peak brightness of 4,500 nits, delivering vibrant colors and smooth visuals. Under the hood, the OnePlus 13 is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, ensuring lightning-fast performance and seamless multitasking. Paired with up to 24 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, you'll have all the power you need. The camera system is a major upgrade. The 50MP Sony main sensor captures stunning details, while the 50MP ultra-wide and 50MP Sony 3x periscope lens offer versatility for any shooting scenario. The 32MP front camera is perfect for selfies and video calls. The OnePlus 13 packs a massive 6,000 mAh battery, ensuring all-day battery life. With 100 watts wired charging and 50 watts magnetic wireless charging, you'll be back to full power in no time. The device runs on Exynos 15, based on Android 15, offering a clean and intuitive user experience. The OnePlus 13 offers a range of advanced features, including an in-display fingerprint sensor, AI-powered enhancements like Circle to Search and Magic Eraser, and even the ability to seamlessly share files with iPhone users. The OnePlus 13 has been officially launched in China. Stay tuned for its global availability. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more updates.